Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly turn your videos into a nostalgic video using this CapCut effect. So in here, I've already opened CapCut. So you can just add your video into CapCut, and after that, go to the video effect. Find the retro category. Okay, click on the retro category and then select the frosted quality effect. So just scroll down until you find the effect. This one, click on the effect. You can adjust it more if you like it. Here, I'm going to increase the intensity and lower the speed, just the size. I'm going to just leave the filter to 100. Sharpen, I'm going to increase it a little bit to 40, and the noise I'm going to go with 16. Now this is the video. Let's adjust the length. So this is the before. This is before I add the effect, and here is the after. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.